Good morning, traders, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setup for today. Quite simple, actually. We are heading for an all-time high. I think that's pretty much straightforward. We've broken through a number of levels. Okay, this is the most recent one here, which is 33.43, and we've broken through it. Yesterday was pretty much retested it and then moved the upside. If we look at the 3 hour here, let's just move this to the middle. Okay, so if we look at the 3 hour chart here, you can see we had this massive, don't know what to call it, but this massive sell-off, and then the buyer stepped in, just finding value here and driving this price up. We've now broken through the high of yesterday right now. Okay, I'd like to see a pullback back into this area of 33.64, and then I'm targeting 3400 as the all-time high. So that's kind of my view right now. Do want to see some kind of a pullback. Okay, it's been really, if you look at the hour, it's been kind of interesting because we keep breaking below the moving average and then shooting up above it. Find support on it, break below it, shoot up. Break below it, shoot up. Come back, find support. So I'm looking for that to continue. So for me, definitely looking for some kind of a pullback. Look at it on the 15-minute, don't even bother with the hour. And you can see the 15-minute, we're having a bit of a range here. And we've got this area that we'd like to see tested. So first area for me is the 33.63 area. Okay, we could also just use this area here, which is 33.65. And then the last thing that could transpire is this just forms a range, which is kind of what it looks like it's happening, but it's left a gap here. So I'd expect it to come back down, prefer it to break down and come into this area here, find support here, and then move the upside. That's the ideal situation. If that doesn't transpire and we get above this area and we sort of break above it, come back, test it, and start getting the price action we're looking for, which is pin bars, engulfing bars, inside bars. Okay, there's an engulfing bar, there's an inside bar, and you can see pin bars. There's pin bars here. So those are the three that we're looking for. If we can get that off structure, then we are in, and we're in to stay for the week, because this is what is on offer here. Break above that, you've got a 117 point stop loss for a 280 point gain. Okay, that is what's on offer as far as I'm concerned. So long it is, just need to find the opportunity to buy into this. And as I said, look at the 15, watch what transpires here. There's still 40 minutes to go before the European session opens, so I wouldn't be jumping in here just yet. I'd wait for Europe to see what transpires at Europe and then jump in then. Okay, so anyway guys, that's it for me on the S&P, long and strong, and we're looking for an all-time high. That's pretty much a short and sweet of it. Hope it helps, and we will catch up with you later. Cheers for now.